How to allow or block Bixby to show personal results on the lock screen on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up Quick Settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. After that, we go down and tap on Advanced Features. Now in here, we then tap on Bixby at the top, and then we go down, and then tap on Use While Lock. Make sure you turn on the Use While Lock, so tap on the toggle button to turn it on. Then we go down and tap on Allow Personal Results to display on the lock screen. So here, when you use Voice Wake Up, Bixby recognizes your voice and shows your personal results on the lock screen. So only upon Bixby recognizing your voice, it would allow to show personal results on the lock screen. So if someone else tried to use Bixby, it would not show personal results. So you can turn this feature on or off. And that's it. After, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.